In 2009, the world celebrated the 200th birthday of Charles Darwin and honored the impact of his theory of evolution upon our science and culture. Overlooked in the celebrations was Alfred Russel Wallace, who came up with the exact same theory of evolution at approximately the same time 150 years ago. Weirdly enough, both Wallace and Darwin found the theory of natural selection after reading the same book on population growth by Thomas Malthus. Darwin did not publish his revelation until he was provoked by Wallace's parallel discovery. Had Darwin died at sea on his famous voyage, which was a highly likely outcome at that time, or been killed by one of his illnesses during his years in London, we would be celebrating the birthday of Wallace as the sole genius behind the theory. These odd coincidences have been repeated over and over throughout history. For example, worldwide, Alexander Graham Bell is known for inventing the first ever telephone. But did you know that Alexander Graham Bell and Elisha Gray both applied to patent the telephone on the same day, that is February the 14th, 1876. In fact, Elisha Gray had applied for the patent 3 hours before Alexander Bell. This naturally led both inventors to accuse each other of fraud, plagiarism and bribery. The pivotal moment in this drama came when Elisha Gray was wrongly advised by his patent attorney to drop his claim because the attorney felt that the telephone was not worth serious attention. Yeah, that's right.
Park Benjamin, author of The Age of Electricity, observed that not a single electrical invention of any importance has been made where the honor of its origin has not been claimed by more than one person. Dig deep enough in the history of any type of discovery in any field and you will find the same pattern. Let me give you some examples. We know of 6 different inventors of the thermometer. 3 different geniuses invented decimal fractions. A French gentleman is famous for inventing photography, but 3 others also independently came upon the same process. The invention of logarithms is usually credited to 2 mathematicians, but actually a third individual invented them 3 years earlier. Several inventors in both England and America simultaneously came up with the typewriter. The existence of the 8th planet, Neptune, was independently predicted by 2 scientists in the same year. All of history is decorated with such instances of shared genius and sometimes unjust outcomes. One way to look at history is as if it's a large warning system. If you can tap into this perspective, then no one can extract as much benefit from history as you can.